In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Lucidchart documents easily and efficiently. This task is essential for maintaining a secure archive of your work and ensuring that your valuable diagrams are safe from any unforeseen technical issues. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by navigating to the Lucid website. Open your preferred web browser and type in lucid.co. Once the page loads, you'll notice the familiar interface. Look towards the top right corner of the web page where you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on it. If you haven't logged in recently, this might be the moment you need to enter your credentials, but for most people, it's just a straightforward click. Now, if you typically use Google to log into most of your accounts, you'll find the option to sign up with Google. This is a handy feature that simplifies the login process. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can choose your Google account. Select the account you usually use with Lucid and proceed to log in. Once you're logged in, you will be greeted by your Lucid dashboard. Here, you'll see all your existing documents. Look for the document you wish to back up and click on Open to launch it. This step will take you to the document's editing interface where you can proceed with creating your backup. In the editing view, you'll notice a menu at the top. Click on File, which will drop down a list of options. From this list, choose Make a Copy. This function allows you to clone your existing document, thus creating a secure copy that you can edit separately without affecting the original. After you've selected Make a Copy, a small dialog box might appear asking for confirmation or additional information related to the document name. Once that's filled in, click OK. Lucid will then generate a duplicate of your document. This is an effective way to back up your file as it ensures you have a spare copy in case any edits go awry in the future or if you just want to keep the integrity of your original design intact. Backing up your work in Lucidchart is a straightforward process that grants peace of mind. By following these easy steps, you ensure that your valuable work is preserved and protected. So next time you're planning a big project or making significant changes to an existing diagram, remember to make that backup. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your work safe. Happy charting!